Little Monarch Hill IV Metal Changing Table by Little Seeds is one of the best sellers among diaper changing tables products. Complementing the Monarch Hill metal crib, this Victorian-inspired changing table is modeled after period wrought iron furnishings. Arched metal tubes and fine ball castings reflect a period of timeless elegance. The non-toxic gold-painted steel structure is both strong and stable, with a high-quality finish that will resist scuff and scratches. 2 storage shelves are designed to hold everything needed for baby changing times. Like all Little Seeds products, this purchase helps support a major environmental initiative. Discover how this can help you and your child involve your community in habitat rebuilding. Keep your changing essentials organized on the elegant Little Seeds Monarch Hill IV Metal Changing Table. Made of sturdy powder-coated metal, the non-toxic gold finish adds a fun twist to your child's decor. The arched metal frame and ball castings are inspired by classic wrought iron furniture, and give the changing table a timeless look you'll love. The changing table fits a standard-size changing pad, not included, and features 2 open shelves for diapers, wipes, and extra onesies. Complete your child's nursery with the entire Monarch Hill IV collection, each sold separately. The changing table ships flat to your door and 2 adults are recommended to assemble. The changing table and each shelf can support up to 30 lbs. Assemble dimensions, 39. 9,375 h by 34. 1875 w by 19 d.